Here the question is, why fluorine is a stronger oxidizing agent than chlorine? Fluorine is a stronger oxidizing agent due to several factors related to its atomic structure and properties. The first reason we can say high electronegativity of fluorine. Fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table with an electronegativity value 4.0 on Pauling scale. This is higher compared to the electronegativity value of chlorine, which is only 3.0. The high electronegativity means that fluorine has a very strong tendency to attract and gain electrons from other atoms or ions. Thereby, it will oxidize them. And the second reason is small size. Fluorine has the smallest atomic radii among all the halogens. Due to its small size, the nucleus of a fluorine atom exerts a stronger attractive force on the outer electrons. This strong attraction makes the fluorine very effective at capturing the electrons from other species. The third reason is high electron affinity. Fluorine has a very high electron affinity and this value is approximately 328 kilojoule per mole. It means it releases a significant amount of energy when it gains an electron. This high electron affinity makes fluorine more favorable to gain electrons and act as an oxidizing agent compared to chlorine. And the last reason we can say the low bond dissociation energy of fluorine. So in order to achieve 1 mark, you can write any of one reason.